Hi guys, this is Avifit. Uh, Today, as the title of the video itself tells that I'll be covering a crucial topic which most of you might be thinking of: eating less. Will or does it help to lose fat, become trim, slim, sexy, whatever you might be thinking? And my answer for this is yes. But hold on, let me just cover. Please go through this video and I'll let you judge it. Uh, So whenever you are having less food, there is two things which comes to place. First thing is, whenever you are having less food, meaning you are consuming less calories. Whenever you're having less calories, you might be falling short with one of the nutrients. Say it might be carbohydrate, it might be protein, it might be fat, it might be vitamins, most of the vitamins, and it might be minerals as well. Um, you might be falling short with one of the or most of the required nutrients by your body. And what happens if you miss out one of this? In short term, if you're planning for a week or so, maybe there might be a stored vitamins for your body. Maybe there might be your liver might be able to generate most of it for to work properly for a week. But when you start following the same thing for a long time, it obviously will not be, your body will not be able to support for that, and you start feeling sick. You'll not be able to focus on few things, you'll not be able to think properly, and there are a lot more things which happens. This is what happens when you go for a crash diet. That is, 1 week I lose 10 kilos, 3 weeks I lose 50 kilos, whatever it might be. And the second point thing, you're dropping your metabolism down. What is metabolism? I've linked a video in the description box. Please do watch that video that is related to basal metabolic rate, and I hope you'll get a clear picture of how a metabolism plays an important role in losing fat, gaining muscle, getting back to shape, whatever you might be. Uh, how does metabolism plays in this eating less? Whenever you're eating less, you're dropping your metabolism down. First thing, when you're dropping your metabolism down, you're dropping your muscle mass down. Your body will not be able to store more glycogen in your muscle, meaning no strength in your muscles, less muscular endurance, and you'll not be able to do work properly. Muscle cramps, it might be, whatever it might be. So these 2 points plays a really, really important role, because this is not the right way to do a diet. A diet is something which you should be giving all the five nutrients which your body needs, treating your body like a king. Whatever it needs, giving it in a healthiest way is a diet. Treat your body like king. That is what I do. Treat my body like king. Whatever it is required, I spend some time to cook my food, but I make sure that I give the required amount of nutrients for my body based on my fitness level, activity level, whatever it might be. Let's skip that. And you, as I just mentioned earlier, you might be getting results for that. Obviously you'll get results if you're dropping your calories. Obviously your body starts using the stored fat, and you'll obviously feel lightened up. But that is not the right way. You might become slim, trim, and sexy, but that is not the right way. One day, one fine day, you'll hear from someone that you are becoming sick and not slim and sexy. So guys, I hope you got the information. I've left it to you guys to decide. Uh, if you ask me, crash diet is worst thing that you can opt for. So guys, please leave that. Get back to healthy lifestyle. I'll make a separate video. What is this healthy lifestyle? If you visit my Facebook page, uh, I have written a lot of articles on. Please do not opt in for crash diets. If you're planning for healthy lifestyle, please do work on it, please. And if you can't, just, as I always say, I am your helping hand to reach your fitness goals. Please do comment down in this video if you want any kind of help, any kind of videos for you. And please do subscribe and share this video, because this is a question If you're watching this video, there might be a lot of people who have this kind of questions arising, and that might still be uncleared or unanswered for them. Please do share it, and I'll be making more videos like this. And love you all. Signing off for now. This is Avi Fit. Stay fit.